Kung sakaling di nyo pa nababalitaan, naglabas na ng Best Player of the Conference Statistics Race ang PBA kanina, no? And this is as of the end of the elimination round. And yun nga, in case di nyo pa nababalitaan, ay ibigay natin sa inyo yung at least yung top 10 doon sa BPC race for the 49th season Philippine Cup. Nanguna sa listahan si Junmar Fajardo na may 40.4 average statistical points. Nakuha niya yan dahil sa kanyang averages of 17.5 points, 13.1 rebounds, 3.3 assists, and point 6 steals and point 7 blocks. So once again, si Junmar Fajardo ay nangunguna na naman sa BPC race and he is so far leading yung statistical race. And itong si Junmar Fajardo nga, if I'm not mistaken, no, 11 na ang kanyang BPC and he's going for his 12th BPC in this conference. Pangalawa sa listahan, itong si CJ Perez, yung kakampi ni Junmar Fajardo na may 38.5 average statistical points. Ang kanyang numbers, he is leading his team in scoring with 23.4 points. Tapos nagtala rin siya ng 4.9 rebounds, 4.3 assists, and 1.8 steals. So all around, meron din siyang point 2 blocks. Itong si CJ Perez ng San Miguel Beermen. Pangatlo sa listahan si Robert Bolick ng NLEX Road Warriors, 37.6 average statistical points. Nagtala siya ng 18.3 points, 6.7 rebounds, 7.2 assists, 1.3 steals, and zero point 0.4 blocks. So again, all around, mas lalong all around actually itong numbers ni Robert Bolick. May points, rebounds, assists, and meron din siyang steals at tinulungan niya talaga itong NLEX na makaakyat, no, from being down the cellar, no, yung bandang ilalim ng standings ay umakyat itong NLEX this conference. Sila ay tumapos na pangalawa at the end of the elimination round. Tapos pang-apat, isa ring player na dinala ang kanyang koponan sa top 4 ng elimination round si Xavier Lucero ng Magnolia Hotshots. Meron siyang 37.3 average statistical points, 18.9 points, 8.0 rebounds, 1.9 assists, 1.0 steals, and 1.5 blocks. So kung titignan nyo, kung si Robert Bolick ay merong points, rebounds, assists, and even steals, itong si Lucero talagang across the board meron siyang magagandang numero, no? Including yung defense, lalo na yung defense, no? 1.0 steals and 1.5 blocks. Napakalaking bagay para sa kanyang koponan this elimination round. And then, panglima, si Calvin Optana ng TNT Tropang Giga na may 35.4 average statistical points. Nagtala siya ng 20.4 points, 7.4 rebounds, 3.2 assists, 1.1 steals, and zero point 0.7 blocks during the elimination round. So yan po yung top 5 sa listahan ng BPC Statistical Race. And to round out the top 10, pang-anim si Jason Perkins ng Phoenix with 35.3 average SPs. Pang-pito, tabla, Justin Arana and Justin Baltasar, the Just Twin Towers ng Converge, 34.6 average statistical points. Pang-siyam si Japet Aguilar ng Barangay Ginebra with 34.2 average statistical points. And then si Joshua Monson ng Northport, pang-sampu with 32.3 average statistical points. So, yan po yung BPC statistical race at the end of the elimination round. And again, di pa po tapos yung labanan. Meron pang playoffs and meron din pong botohan between the players and the media, no, para malaman itong BPC winner ng Philippine Cup. Kayo po, tingin nyo ang magiging BPC for this conference? Well, kung ako tatanungin nyo, at least at the end of the elimination round, ay para sa akin ay si Xavier Lucero ang BPC winner if ngayon nagtapos ang Philippine Cup, no, with the way nakita nyo may numero across the board and then yung paano nyo dinala yung Magnolia patungo sa taas after missing the semifinals in the Commissioner's Cup ay malaki yung talagang kontribusyon ni Xavier Lucero sa improvement ng Magnolia this conference. But again, this is just at the end of the elimination round. Hindi pa po tapos ang labanan dito sa BPC statistical race. Meron pa pong playoffs So abangan po natin yan kung sino na po yung mangunguna at the end of the playoff round.